Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today, I am in my brother Jared's kitchen again, and what are we going to be making?
Today, Matt, we are going to be making keto peanut butter cups. They're gluten-free, sugar-free, and low-carb.
For those of you who have followed my show, you know I have tons of different little episodes on peanut butter cups because I love peanut butter cups. So this is another great addition to the portfolio, and also for those of you who might be diabetic or might be on the keto diet or might just want a low-carb solution for a fantastic treat. That's what we're gonna make.
All right, so let's jump right in.
Okay, so Jared, what we're gonna do first is we're gonna start our peanut butter mixture. Now, normally, when you make peanut butter cups, you add a combination of your peanut butter and you use powdered sugar and maybe a little bit of salt and a little bit of butter. But this ingredient is just gonna be all peanut butter. Just put that in there.
Oh, it's a little drippy.
Down below, we'll have the listed recipe with the amounts. Also, if you're not used to buying organic peanut butter, you're gonna have to stir it because the oils are separated normally.
We'll put in start adding some coconut flour, and you're just, it actually, I don't know, I've got 2 cups in this bowl. We probably won't end up adding all of that, but what you do is you add it to the peanut butter, and that, until the peanut butter stops becoming sticky.
Xylitol?
We're gonna add some xylitol sweetener. That's about a tablespoon of xylitol. And we're gonna keep mixing that in. Okay, we'll add some more, add some more. Matt's checking it, testing the stickiness.
Really good.
It's looking pretty good. All right, so our peanut butter mixture is looking pretty good. Next, we're gonna do the chocolate. So how do we do that, Matt?
2 ways you can do it. You can do it in the microwave, like on the defrost setting, or like a 5 to 7 on your 10 scale for the power, and just do it for 30 seconds, stir, 30 seconds, stir. Or you could do a double boiler method where you just take a pot, put some water in on the bottom, and get a larger glass bowl, and you put that on top. And then the steam from the water heats the bowl, and then the chocolate melts in there, and you just stir until it's melted.
And today we're going to show you the double boiler method. All right, we've got our double boiler set up here. We've got our pot below with water. The water is about an inch deep, so it doesn't touch the bottom of this bowl. And I've got our sugar-free chocolate chips. This is about 8 ounces, but we want to use about 10. Doesn't have to be perfect. So I got 2 bags of this. We're not going to cook all of it, but I'm going to add a little bit more from this one as well. So what we're going to do then is we're going to add our coconut oil to that and add our salt as well. We could, no, I don't want to pour all that in there, just a pinch. That would have been an epic noob mistake. Okay, and now we're going to let that sort of melt. You want to stir as it goes. So once it starts melting, we'll stir that in. So we're going to stir this around. You want to stir fairly frequently. You got to just keep stirring until it looks a lot like this. Ooh yeah, chocolate. All right, so we've got our chocolate all melted down. And now what's the next step, Matt?
So now what we're going to do is we are going to take some chocolate, about a tablespoon, teaspoon. You want to put it on the bottom first. All right, next what we want to do is we want to take some peanut butter mixture. You can use your fingers or just come in here with the spoon and just spoon some in and just kind of spread it out a little bit like that. And then what you'll do is you'll just come in with a little bit more chocolate and just go on top. I usually just do a little dollop like that and just spread it around, yeah, with a spoon.
That's awesome. So you won't end up using all of the peanut butter mixture. That's okay. You can store it for later.
Or you could just melt more chocolate and make them all up and then freeze the candies for later.
Oh, that's a good idea. So now that we've got our keto peanut butter cups, all put together. There's one more step that I like to do, Matt. I don't know if you do this or not, but I like to sort of, whatever that's called.
Tap it,
Tap it,
flattens out.
tap it till it flattens out. There we go.
Yeah, I do that on occasion.
Okay, and it just sort of makes an even consistency. And all we got to do now is pop them in the fridge and wait for them to cool down, and we'll be good to go.
Yeah, then the chocolate will set somewhere between 30 minutes to an hour, and they'll be ready to go. All right, we took the keto peanut butter cups out of the freezer. They were in there for about 20 minutes. You can also put them in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes until the chocolate sets up. Now they're ready to go. They were really easy to do, simple ingredients. If we can do it,
you can do it.
Once again, this is my brother Jared from Live True with JT. Check out his channel down below. I'll put a link where you can find that. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining us. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or requests, put them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down in the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. Time for us to dive into one of these. Oh yeah.